Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Jeep Liberty door panel. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a specialized panel removal tool. It's also a good idea to have a small container ready to keep all your screws and clips organized as you go. This preparation makes reassembly much smoother. Next, let's remove the visible screws. Look for them in the armrest, door pull, and around the door handle. Once those are out, carefully use your flathead screwdriver or panel tool to pry up the window switch panel. Be gentle to avoid damage. After it's loose, disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the back of the switch panel. Now, it's time to detach the main door panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use your panel removal tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame. You'll hear clips popping loose. Work your way around the entire perimeter. Once all clips are free, lift the entire panel straight up to clear the window channel. Finally, with the panel loose, there are a few more connections to make. Reach behind the panel and disconnect the door handle cable by unhooking it. Also, detach the lock rod from its clip. Be sure to carefully unplug any remaining electrical connectors for speakers or lights before fully removing the panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.